Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give the daily job notification in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel. So what happens, today's job notification is regarding TCS NQT. It is the last chance to qualify yourself for a job in TCS again. So basically they have mailed us, as I have also registered for this drive, as I am not a applicant for that particular drive. So I have received the mail because my sister is giving that exam, so I have done registration for her. So I have seen that mail have come, and last time she was not able to give the examination. So in the mail it is clearly mentioned that TCS NQT last chance to qualify yourself for a job in TCS. So you can see, in the mail it is mentioned that dear candidate, their registration records indicating that a year of passing 2019 or 20 are eligible for this, and they are mentioning that I have registered in the February or March 2021 TCS NQT but had not appeared for the exam. So here is the final chance to complete the TCS NQT, so that to stand a chance to get hired in TCS. TCS is hiring a large number of students for this drive TCS NQT certified pool, and it is important that you will complete the test to be eligible for this particular selection process. So TCS NQT special edition is planned to repeat it only for those who could not complete the test earlier. I am mentioning again, those who could not complete the test earlier, the test will be planned about in 2 weeks time. What will you have to do? You just need to put your survey before Sunday 14th March midnight. Okay, so tomorrow is the last date. So they have given one link. If you have not given the exam previously, then you are getting one chance to give this exam again, as last date have already covered, or last date have gone, and also February March and QT date also gone. So you will get a chance to give this exam again. So you have to do this survey before 14th March overnight. Okay, so you have to click on this survey link. It will be redirecting to the TCS and learning website. So from there you just need to put your NQT ID here. First question. Second question, why you have not given the exam in the February or March. So just select those which is applicable to you, and also you just need to answer question 3 and question 4, that is which you are choosing for this time, TCS NQT from home examination or in center examination. And if you are choosing home, then you have to select these 4 items below, because these conditions are mandatory if you are want to give this exam from home, like Windows, Google Chrome browser, minimum 2 Mbps speed, a working webcam. So then you have to submit this survey within tomorrow midnight. So after that you will receive the admit card, and you will get the link for giving the exam of TCS NQT. So all the best guys. Within 2 weeks they will schedule the exam. So prepare well and give the exam if you are getting the chance. So you will just receive the mail I have shown you. So thank you friends, we will meet in next video with new job updates. So this is the job notification for TCS NQT last chance. Again I am mentioning, if you have any doubt, you can see my other videos of TCS NQT in my channel, and if you have any doubt you can comment in my below comment section of this video. I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for your patience. We will meet in next video. Bye.